Hey guys, so I'm sorry. Cece, get down. Hey guys, it's me here, and we got my cat sniffing the phone. Cece, stop. Sorry about that intro, guys. No, Cece. Today I'm gonna. Oh, that's right. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. Stop, Cece. Okay, sorry about that intro. So, get out of here, Cece. First, you want to have a paper, draw on it, do whatever. So first, you want to fold it in half like this, and then make sure the end point's gone. Then you go like that. Then fold the other side in. I messed up, dang it. And take the corner, go like that. The other corner, go like that. Turn it around, like that. Then let it sit for a minute, and then there you go. You have a paper airplane. Thanks for. It may not really look like one, but I've been practicing. Let's see how it flies, guys. That's pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the post notification bell to never miss an upload. Neat. I gotta get Cece to tell you guys bye. Be right back. Cece, the fans want you. Come here. Come here. Ow. Ow. Goofball? Come here, goofball. Okay, I'm coming. I just have him strapped to my hand. He's strapping to my hand. I got to go get the thing. Cece, tell everyone bye. I'm trying to get him on camera. What are you doing? Tell him bye. Bye, guys. Sure, you can only see like this thing. By the way, I watched it too. Right there, see? Okay, guys, bye.